Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. The Jamaica Table Tennis Association has broken its silence on the matter involving many-time national men's champion Simon Tomlinson and the decision to pull him from the team to the Commonwealth Games. In a press release sent on Monday evening, the council of the JTTA sought to clear the air that the decision to remove Tomlinson from the Commonwealth Games team was made by the managing council and not the president. The release once again highlighted that the decision was taken due to Tomlinson's lack of preparedness and his withdrawal from the Caribbean Championships team in March and his absence from the most recent national championships. In the meantime, TVJ Sports understands that the managing council came to the final decision after Tomlinson refused to play the national championships despite being asked repeatedly by the JTTA. The release also stated, quote, "The managing council of the JTTA categorically denies any allegations of a personal attack on Simon Tomlinson by the JTTA president, Mr. Angelou, and refutes any defamatory reports that may suggest same," end quote. When contacted, JTTA President Angelou again declined to comment on the matter, stating that he has been advised by his counsel not to make any public comments. And former National Premier League campaigners Marvel Uenden continued their winning run in the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association Major League as they made it 3 wins from 3 by beating Mountain View 2-1 at the Stadium East Field on Wednesday. Marvel had to do things the hard way as it was Mountain View who took the lead as Asad Pinnock opened the scoring in the 31st minute. But 7 minutes later, Marvel found themselves level as Wayne Williams converted to make the game 1-1. Romario Bryan kept up his record of scoring in every game so far this season as he netted the winner in the 72nd minute, his 4th goal in 3 games following his brace against Pembroke Hall on Saturday. Meanwhile, in the CASAFA Championship, Brownstown recovered from their 3-0 spanking from Medforest to inflict a similar defeat on Central Kingston in the other game at the Stadium East Field. Brownstown, who lost their opening 2 games to Barbican and Medforest, got the go-ahead goal and their first of the season from Rashawn Olifield in the 25th minute. Brian English then added the insurance in the 74th minute before Gavin Roberts polished off a comprehensive performance with a goal in the 90th minute. The result leaves Central Kingston on a point from their 3 games, while Brownstown moved to 3 points. And finally, 4-time world champion Sebastian Vettel is to retire from Formula One at the end of this season. The 35-year-old said the decision had been difficult and that he had spent a lot of time thinking about it. The German said he would take more time to reflect on what he will focus on next at the end of the year. He said spending more time with his family was a priority.
But since I grow and things grow around me, my children are growing, it's time away from them and time away maybe from other interests that I've grown. And at some point you reach a point where it starts to feel maybe not so clear about the next year. And the truth is it's been a process over, several years. Obviously the final decision I took yesterday, I told the team, but leading to that is not, a race or 2 races or several weeks. It's more, it's much more than that.
And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Giovanni, it's back to you.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.